You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside.
Good, what's poppin'? Sugar. What's good? What's poppin'? Sugar Gabriellemaree. Welcome back to my channel. Today your girl got a lash appointment. I'm a little late. I head there right now. I'm a little late, per usual. But let's go, cause baby, these lashes, they need it.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, right?
Your girl just came back from her lash appointment. As I already stated, I'm back home. Gonna head to work. I'll catch y'all after work. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. Your girl got more work to do after that, so I don't know yet, but we'll see. I'll catch y'all later. I have to get some lotion because I need some. I'm out of everything. Out of everything.
Yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. I need you right.
So right now, what I got everything else. I just need some lotion.
Here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it. I never come out of time. You should just sleep on it. You shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me.
Good morning, y'all. What's up? What's up? I look on this. On today's agenda, we are supposed to be going to we'll see how that's looking. Cause it rains so much in the past couple of days, so I don't even know if we're still gonna go or not, but that's the plan. We'll see. Right now, I'm getting ready. What you got? 8:49 right now. I forgot what I'm gonna wear, but I already told my boyfriend what I'm wearing, but I don't think I wanna wear that. So, we'll see. This is what I'm wearing. A romper, but we have to stop, get gas, and get my car checked. Cause yeah, we headed to Jacksonville right now. I don't know. It's you can't even see it. It's a line back there, and then the monkeys are over here. He right there. Birds over there. I don't know. I think that take you back around, but might not, or it just.
It's a certain skin. I mean,
You looking at I don't think we're gonna find him. So this is the gecko. I don't think we're gonna find him because he's probably everywhere.
oh. Ooh, I did not see that.
Yeah, look how, what is that?
That's different.
It's a gecko. Ew.
I want.
All the way up there. It's a
I found them. She didn't. I found them.
You go here.
Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at. See how big this snake is? That's such a big snake. I don't know what's in that water.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, look how big it is. Can't you?
Oh, they're up there first.
That's crazy. I thought that's what you told me Friday. I don't know about today. And now we're kind of done with everything. I enjoyed myself. This is a giraffe, but the giraffe thing was closed, so we couldn't even see that. Forgot what we're gonna eat, but once we figure out what we're gonna eat, we'll probably go get something to eat. I'm a little hungry, just a little bit. So that's the plan. It started raining a little bit, and I don't want to get caught in the rain. Yeah, my edges pumped up, y'all. They pumped up. Which one?
window wide open, got no truck, still gotta knock 'em out. Watch my mouth, I probably.
Y'all see what's on my head? Yeah, I gotta wear this because see, I didn't think this through. I didn't think this through because I know I had to go get my feet done. I gotta get my feet done. And I took out my hair. And if I put a hat on, you still can see my hair. But we finna go get my feet done right now. It's 9:07, they finna be 9:30. I'm finna be the first one at the door. Do you hear me? Because I'm not finna be waiting. I got other stuff I gotta do. That's where I'm headed now. I'm just looking for some shoes to put on. Finna go in there, get my feet done, and get out of there, okay? So I made it here. It's literally not a lot of people here like I thought. I mean, they don't open till 9:30. It's 9:18 right now, but we gonna see. I say that now, and then come like 9:28, everybody want to show up. But if that's gonna end up happening, I'm gonna get out my car and just stand at the door. Supposed to do this Friday. Yeah, that didn't happen. So I'm gonna do it today. Bro, it's so early. Let's hope I keep my fingers crossed. Y'all, so I have to end up coming back around like 10:30. It's 9:37. I mean, that's fine. I mean, I really didn't make no appointment, so. But let me tell you, you know when I said nobody was there, bro, tell me why when they was finna go open the door, all these people came out of nowhere. I'm like, y'all was not here before. Where y'all came from? So anyway, I'll be back at 10:30. Finna try and put this wig on. Come back looking like a whole new person, and I don't care. I'm sleepy. I really should have made an appointment because I could have caught up on some sleep. I'm gonna talk to y'all later.
Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably caught side. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers. And we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to.
Yeah, these how my feet look. How they look? White. I got toes. I got white on my toes because it's the July weekend. What you mean? But nah, yeah, that's yeah. I decided to get white since 4th of July weekend. Last color I had was pink. I don't just get white now. I get color. I will see y'all at the house. It's 2:41, and I'm finna get ready to go over my grandma's school. I'm finna get ready to go over my cousin's house because we are having a cookout for 4th of July. My face has been doing terrible. I don't know what's been going on, but it's bad. I did a video like this last year. It was like 4th of July. That was the 4th of July Memorial Day. I can't even tell you because I really don't know. But that was a year ago.
Cause she one of the members. When it comes to
everybody come we in the back, but
Yeah.
nobody don't ever come to the front.
Right. It's 60-50.
What's up? Are you ready?
You finna get it in. Go on.
That's what it's like. There's Mars plate right there. And I'm finna tear down. It's so hot out here. Y'all, it's 97 degrees outside. But we gonna play. But it's fruit snack. Oh, unless you just ain't put it in. Or you skip that. Or you had. Ooh. Do my face. Take my makeup off because your girl was outside earlier. I didn't get to record because y'all kind of last minute. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this makeup off. I'm gonna go to bed. I know I'm supposed to go. I think me and my boo gonna go to PC in the morning. We gonna see. We gonna see. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to PC. It's just a lot going on today. Like I gotta do my hair over, most definitely, cause look, it's a mess. Alright, it's freak. I'm tired. But yeah, that's kind of what I did today. Just chilled, went out, came back, and with my boyfriend. That's pretty much it. But we're probably gonna watch a movie. And yeah, I think I got all this makeup on. I think so. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna get y'all tomorrow with whatever we decide to do. 12:04. I'm gonna curl it with a bigger barrel. Just curling iron. Hopefully it curls faster. Being that it's bigger, so I don't have to do as many curls. Good thing about that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start on it. Yeah, when I am done. Alright, yeah, so we're gonna get ready to go. I honestly don't think my hair is gonna last. Cause it just can't hold a curl. Like, hair is just not it. Like, it just cannot hold a curl. We're gonna see. I'm just trying to take my pictures and leave it at that. But I just got on this dress. I get to take pictures because my hair haven't made me mad. So, yeah. But we're on our way on the road now. So, I'm gonna talk to y'all once we get situated.
Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side.
Hot. It's hot. But I'm gonna give me a slice of pizza. I haven't eaten all day. And this pizza, you know, is good. Because if you seen in my last vlog, you know, it's the same pizza place that I got last time in my Panama vlog. So, it's pretty good. So I got me a mango slushy. Oh, my hair, it fell. I gotta take pictures before it start looking real raggedy. And that's why I bought my cloth lip and put it up, because after I take my picture, I don't care how my hair looks. Okay. The number. Maybe I should have took my pictures here, huh?
By the bathroom?
Hard to find a park. I don't know why, but it always is because you have to pay for it. And I don't feel like paying for no parking. I don't know. This thing. Oh, you made it to the beach. It's hot. I said hot, but I mean it's hot. Probably gonna go in the water because it's so hot. Back in town. We are back in town. We at the fireworks station right now. Not station.
Off in the safe.
Yeah, tent. Because I want some fireworks. Like, I look like an absolute mess. Whew. I just got back home, took a shower because I most definitely needed that. I don't know right now. I'm gonna order some seafood. Finna get crafted crab. Finna get like a seafood boil. I know they close at 10, but it only takes like 20 minutes for them to make your food. So that's probably what I'm finna do. It's kind of like everything we did today. We went to Panama, went to the pizza place. Their pizza is so good. To the beach for a little bit and then came back. And finna get some dinner. That's pretty much it. Tomorrow's 4th of July. Oh, I did buy some fireworks, but I left those in the car. Y'all see the fireworks tomorrow because I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow. I don't feel like going back out there. But my total came out. It wasn't even that much, honestly, because I didn't really get like fireworks. All right, y'all, we made it back. Crack the crab. Let me show y'all the bowl. It's right here. So we finna eat this. I'm probably not gonna talk to y'all. I'm not gonna care because after I eat seafood, probably gonna hit the hay. So I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow, 4th of July. So yeah, Right, y'all, so it's the next day. Happy 4th of July. It's gonna rain. Do not mind my bedroom because it's a mess. Wearing a black dress with some sandals from Shein. That's really it. Nothing too much. Just simple stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and go. You see that cool in the back? Yeah. But we had a gas station right now. I'm waiting for my boyfriend to get back. So, because he's getting ice right now. We already got gas. It's the first thing. Don't ask me what none of this stuff is. I don't know. Got some pockets. Yeah, we got this as well. Hey, y'all, I have not been vlogging, but we got to, we made it to Georgia. My boyfriend's family is cooking right now. We have stopped by the store because I was hungry and thirsty. He got some wrap snacks. Got two of, I never had these.
Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers. And we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club.
Oh, yo, shit, let's go have some fun. Enjoy the show. We in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Y'all we in Houston. We're definitely going